So as you can see the position on my dock, you see the position of the dock on MacBook Pro M3 is here. So how can you change the position? I'm gonna show you in this video. Very simple, but simple is not if you're just bought a MacBook and you were not used to use a MacBook and you aren't familiar with the settings, because I didn't know at first. I'm going to show you in this video. So you're actually going to have to click on the three dots, the Apple logo, and then the system, select system settings. And then here in the system settings, we have a few settings, right? Make sure you look for desktop and dock. And now here we have display, click on that. And then here we have automatically hide and show the dock. Okay. And then also here we have position on screen. You can change also the size of the dock from here. And also magnification we can add, but you can turn off also. But we can change the location position on screen. Well, we can add this and change to bottom. And now the dock is located here, as you can see. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, if you have more questions about MacBook, Mac OS, let me know in the comment section.